is Yogi from EOSPark. Our developer has recorded a video of how to verify contract source code, and I translated for him. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Spencer, developer of EOSPark.com. We are planning to make a series of videos to guide you how to use EOSPark, and this is the first video to illustrate how to verify contract source code. First off, why do we need the function of verifying contract source code? As we know, the most commonly used applications are centralized, which means their data are well stored on their own private servers exclusively, and others are not accessible to their codes. Even if they open their source or provide their API documents, we users still could not know if the open code is the same code as the running one. On the other side, developers have no solution to resolve this issue since it is not reasonable to ask them to share their password of their private servers. So that we could see the advantages of blockchain technology of well storing data and codes on the chains. Everyone can read the data and code so that it is really open source, which can be safely used. On EOS, the codes deployed on the chain made of binary, which is too difficult to read by programmers. So what we did is compile the source code into binary and make a comparison with the source code that have been deployed on the chain. We confirm the facticity on the code in case of it is accordance with the code deployed on the chain. And these are the theoretical basis on contract source code consistency verification. Secondly, let me demonstrate to you how to use the function on EOSPark.com. I prepared 3 accounts. One account had never uploaded contract for consistency verification. One account had passed the consistency verification. And the other one had failed verification in reason of their upgrade their contract on the chain, but haven't yet upgraded their contract on our website. Well, let's begin. Step 1. Enter the account name in the search bar. We will see the detailed account page. View contract button. If they have developed the smart contract on the chain, then we click View Contract button. We will see a reminder of the developer haven't yet verified the consistency of their contract. And there is Upload Source Code button. Click the button and choose the compiled versions, compile the system, and compiled options. The default compiled option is Typhoon 03, but there are more options like Typhoon 01, Typhoon 02, Typhoon OS, Typhoon Z. Currently, we support Typhoon OZ and may have more options in the sooner future depending on users' requests. The differences between using Typhoon 03 or using Typhoon OZ is the compiled binary size. The size of the compiled Z is smaller than compiled 3, which may be easier to be deployed to the chain. And meanwhile, the RAM would be smaller and the EOS expense is smaller, which saves cost for the developers. Well, now we upload the code files. Please note that the file name should have suffix like .cpp or .hpp. Otherwise, hardly can it be compiled. And the source code parts, just copy paste plain source code. After that, we will compile the uploaded codes in the same way of the developer stats, and we check the consistency of the codes on the chain. If it conforms with the codes on chain, then it passed. It has difference with the code. We need to check if the code is the same as the codes on chain. Or you can also choose the compiled options again to get the results. Next, let's check another account pass consistency verification. Okay, this account has passed the consistency verification with an obvious reminder on detailed account page. The source code is shown here. You can read the source code and copy this code to compile it by yourself. Currently on this page, we cannot know the compiled environment of source codes. We will upgrade our website and display the compiled version, system, and the option in the next version of EOSPark.com. And we will support compressed files uploaded as well. This is a situation of source code contract had passed the verification. However, when the developers found a new bug or they have new contract to upgrade, they can redeploy the contract to the chain. In EOS, new contract will overwrite the old one. Therefore, when you upgrade your codes on chain, the codes you uploaded here will be expired. At last, you can see Upload Source Code button on this page as well, and the steps are the same as illustrated before. Alright, that's all, and thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a like or comment in the below.